Today, I'll walk you through how to indent on Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create indents in your documents so you can enhance the readability and organization of your text. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs document. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new document by going to the Google Docs homepage and selecting blank. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Once you have your document open, you'll notice a ruler at the top of your page. This ruler is your best friend when it comes to formatting. To indent a paragraph, look for the blue arrow on the ruler. This is called the indent marker. Now click and drag the blue arrow to the right. As you do this, you'll see that the paragraph moves to the right, creating a neat indent. This is a great way to visually separate your paragraphs, much like how a new paragraph in a book starts further in. If you want to create a hanging indent, which is often used in bibliographies, you can drag the bottom triangle of the blue arrow. This allows the first line of the paragraph to be flush with the left margin, while the rest of the paragraph is indented. This technique is similar to how a new chapter in a book starts with a title that stands out from the text that follows. After you've adjusted your indents, take a moment to review your document. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Take your time to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your formatting, you can continue writing or editing your document. Remember, proper indentation not only improves the aesthetics of your document, but also enhances its clarity. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to indent on Google Docs. This simple yet effective skill will help you create well-structured documents that are easy to read. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.